for that product the officer is talking about.
This right here. It's an espresso.
Is there a batch label on it?
Is that?
Bro, she said she bought the espresso from Marshall's. She can't be serious. Why she didn't say Target? Why she didn't say Amazon, maybe? Nah, not Amazon, because they was asking for the receipt. I would have said Target, bro. Hey, I got it from Target, man. Target sell that same one. She tripping.
One of your guys's?
No, that's not it. I was checking for a batch label. Big retailers will have like a giant sticker that's on it that comes from truck. It'll tell you what location it came from and what store it went through. No, that's just UPC.
What's this right here?
An espresso machine that generally retails for over $500.
Damn.
Danielle's story starts.
Hold on. Hell no. $500 for a coffee? Is that normal? Does it come with his own coffee beans? Nigga, hell no. I ain't spending over $500 for an espresso machine. I'm about to open up a Starbucks. That is ridiculous, dog.